Good morning, my dear students and my dear friend. This is Sudhir and welcome you all on today's class. And today we will solve the questions from exercise 6.2D. Okay, so today we are proceeding towards the word problem. Only there are 4 word problems. Out of the 4 word problem, I will solve 2 or 3. Okay, then we will proceed towards the beautiful and amazing topic, that is the equivalent fraction. Okay, मैं आपको ये बोलना चाहूंगा कि इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन है एंड देन आफ्टर देयर इज अ टॉपिक दैट इज द लोएस्ट टर्म्स, दोनों एक दूसरे से बहुत ज्यादा रिलेटेड है. डोंट बी कंफ्यूज अबाउट दैट, वहां पर आपको कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है. सो डोंट मिस आउट द वीडियोस एंड द ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स द क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 1/3 ऑफ बाइसिकल्स वेयर रेड. ओके, 1/3 बाइसिकल्स, 1/3 of 12 bicycles is there. Okay, sorry, 1/3 of 12 bicycles were red. How many bicycles were red? Okay, it is very simple question. There are 12 bicycles. It is the total number of bicycles. कितने हमारे पास 12 bicycles है. Okay, then it is written that 1/3 of 12. Okay, what is that? 1/3 of 12 bicycles were red. Then we have to find the total number of bicycles. Those are red. Okay, so what we have to do? We can find the 1/3 of 12. You will get the answer. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ 1/3? बहुत आसान है, फिर से एक बार बताता हूं. ठीक है, 1/3 of 12. First of all, this is 1/3. We can read the fraction in different ways. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Yes, 1/3, 1/3. ठीक है, देखो मैंने बहुत सारे तरीके बता दिए इसको रीड करने के. Maybe a different books have the different sentences. हो सकता है कि अलग अलग बुक में अलग अलग तरीके से लिखा हुआ हो. Don't be confused. The meaning of these 5 sentences is this: 1 is in the numerator and 3 is in the denominator. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of 1/3? It is 3 is the denominator. That means what? That there is a total number of parts. How many total number of parts are there? 3 parts. A one object, a one single whole object, or a one whole have the 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts है. ठीक है, and out of the 3 equal parts we have to consider only one. 3 में से एक ही चाहिए. ठीक है, so we will find the 1/3 of 12. Okay, dear students, you can write the statement in your own language. लिख लो, बहुत सिंपल है. Total number of bicycle, that is equal to 12. Then you can write 1/3 of bicycles are red is equal to question mark. ठीक है, ऐसा लिखने के बाद I'm writing this quickly. So 1/3 of 12 it is. Statement लिखूं? Okay, give me a 1 minute. I'm writing here. Total bicycles is equal to 12. It is your first statement. And number of bicycles were red. Number of bicycles were red. Okay. Number of. Okay. Give me a 1 minute. I'm erasing. Okay, let's do it with a step by step. Okay, we will solve this question step by step. First of all, we will write the statements. Whatever the information is given in the problem, we will write in this form of statements. ठीक है, इसको statement में लिखेंगे. Just give me allow 1 minute. Okay, so first of all, we will write the total number of bicycles. Okay. It is still wait. Total number of bicycles. Total number of bicycles is equal to 12. Okay, this is the total number of bicycles. Then we will write fraction, that is 1/3 of 12 were red. Okay, then we will write number of bicycle were red. We don't know about that. We have to find the total number of bicycles were red. Okay, so we will find 1/3 of 12. Okay, we will find the 1/3 of 12. So how can we find the 1/3 of 12? It is very simple. It is a denominator and denominator is saying that, denominator बोल रहा है, क्या बोल रहा है? Create 3 equal parts of 12. So first of all, we will create the three equal parts of 12 because 3 is in the denominator. So we will directly divide the 12 by 3. 12 को सीधा 3 से divide कर देंगे. ठीक है? Because division means equal sharing. Okay, that means creation of group which contain equal objects. ठीक है? Equal object होने चाहिए. So here we are creating the group of 3. हर एक इसमें 3. So we will get the 4 groups. 4 3s becomes 12. Okay, that means what? It is a each part, हर एक पार्ट में कितना रहेगा? 4 रहेगा. And we want only one part, और उसमें से 3 में से सिर्फ हमको एक ही चाहिए. So we will write this 4 here. In one part there is 4, and how many parts we are considering? Only one part. So we will multiply this 4 by the numerator, and you will get 4. So the answer is 4. So 4 bicycles were red. Okay, 4 bicycles were red. Out of 12 bicycles, 4 bicycles are red. Okay, dear students, you have the 30 seconds. Quickly note down in your maths notebook. Okay, फटाफट से इसको maths के notebook में लिखो. Then we will proceed toward the question number 2. Okay, quickly note down, my dear. Dear student, pause the video and note down. Okay, dear students, so now we are proceeding towards the next question. Okay, dear students, so now let's move toward the question number 2, and the question number 2 is saying that 3 by 4 of 28 flowers were roses. Okay, so there is a 28 flowers. Total number of flowers are 28, and out of the 28, 3 by 4, that means 3/4 flower. 3/4. कैसे read करोगे इसको? 3/4 of 28 flowers were roses. How many roses were there? Okay, हमको क्या करना है? Total number of 28 flowers are there. Out of the 28 flowers, 3 by 4, that means 3 upon 4, 3/4, 3/4 flowers are roses. So we have to find how many roses were there. Okay, कितने रोज वहां पर available है. So first of all, we will write total number of flowers. Okay, total number of flowers is equal to 28. Okay, total number of flowers are 28. Then we will write the fraction of roses. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो, fraction of roses is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is a fraction for roses. कितने रोज है वहां पर? Out of 4, 3 where हर 4 में से 3 flowers are roses. Okay, now we will write number of roses. Number of roses is equal to, we don't know about that, we will write question mark. That means we have to find this. So how can we find out? We will find the fraction of 28. It is a question from the fractions of a collection, and there is a 28 flowers. From the 28 flowers, we have to find the 3 by 4 of 28. So let's move towards the 3 by 4 of 28. Listen, dear students, I'm going to solve here 3 by 4 of 28. Okay, so always remember, denominator tells us about the total number of parts. Again, I'm repeating, denominator tells us what the denominator is telling about, the total number of parts in one whole. ये one whole भूलना मत. Okay, total number of parts in one whole. Okay, then out of the 4 parts we are selecting 3 parts. 4 में से 3 हमको चाहिए. ठीक है, so first of all we will create, let's create करते हैं. क्या create करेंगे? 4 parts of 28. 28 को 4 equal parts में divide कर देते हैं. ठीक है, so 28 divided by 4. So when you will divide the 28 by 4, you will get, okay dear, So when you will solve 3 by 4 of 28, first of all we have to divide that 28 by 4. When you will divide the 28 by 4, there will be a 4 equal parts. 28 will divide into the 4 equal parts. 4 part में divide हो जाएगा, ठीक है? So you will get, okay, 4 4 are 16, 4 5 are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7 is 28. 4 7 is 28. That means there is a 7 flowers in each part. हर एक part में 7 flowers रहेंगे. So now we have to select 3 parts. अब क्या करना है? 3 parts चाहिए. 4 में से 3 हमको चाहिए. This is each part. One part have the 7. So 3 part will be equal to, that is, अब मैं 7 plus 7 then plus 7. That means I am repeatedly adding the 7 3 times. That means it is the multiplication. So I will multiply the 7 with 3 and I will get the 21. And this is your final answer. That means out of the 28 flowers, 21 flowers are roses. So we will write here, there were 21 flowers are roses. Okay. Dear students, you can solve this portion in between these two lines, and if there is a space, you can write there. Okay. So now I hope you understand how to find out the answers. And the question number 3 and the question number 4 is your homework. I'm explaining. Look the question number 3 on page number 91, and I'm reading the question number 3. Look in your book. On the Tuesday, John baked 36 cakes. ठीक है, जॉन ने क्या किया? 36 केक को बेक कर लिया. Then half of the cakes were sold. Half. What is meant by half? 1 by 2. So we have to find here half of 36 were sold. How many cakes were sold? कितने बिक गए? 36 के आधे बिक गए. So that means हमने बेच दिए. That means it is sold out. So there is a total number of cakes is 36. Then we have to find what we have to find? Half of 36 that were sold. Okay, जो sold हो चुके हैं. So we will find the half of 36, that is 1 by 2 of 36. So 1 by 2 बहुत easy है. You have to divide that 36 by 2. Okay, 36 को जब आप 2 से divide करोगे, you will get the answer. Okay. Then the question number 4 is there. The class uses 3 by 5 of the 70 sheets in the packet of craft work. 3 by 5 of the 70 sheet. There is a total number of 70 sheets. ठीक है, and out of the 70 sheet, the class is using 3/5. That means 3 by 5 70 sheet का 3/5 used हो गया. Then we have to find how many sheets were used. So it is very simple. Total number of sheets is 70. Then the fraction of used paper is 3 by 5. Then you will find the 3 by 5 of 70. ऐसा ही करना है. ठीक है, 3 by 5 of 70. That means what? First of all, we will create the 5 equal parts of 70. तो 70 को आप पहले 5 से divide कर दो. Then whatever the answer is coming is telling about the one part. वो one part बता रहा है. And we want the 3 parts. तो जो भी आंसर आएगा उसको न्यूमरेटर से फिर मल्टीप्लाई करना. Then you will get the answer. I hope you understand. Okay. And dear students, I'm making the video for the equivalent fraction. And थोड़ा सा लंबा रहेगा वो वीडियो, because in that video I will explain about the equivalent fraction, then a simplest form, that is the lowest terms, and it is one of the important, yes my dear, it is one of the important topic of a fraction. अब आप मिस नहीं करोगे, ठीक है? And I'm sending the video soon. थोड़ा सा वो लंबा रहेगा, but you will understand. Okay, I'm guarantee you will understand everything about the lowest terms and the equivalent fraction. ठीक है? और अगर आप ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन चाहते हो, you can find it on Google और YouTube. लिखो, जहां से इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है निकालो. Gain the knowledge from anywhere, कहीं से भी लो. Equivalent fraction and the lowest terms. ठीक है? Equivalent fraction लिखो वहां पर. Where? In the YouTube there is a lot of animated videos are there. You can understand. Okay, and I'm making the video. Okay, have a good day and bye bye. Please note down in a maths notebook. And the question number 3 and question number 4 of question number 4, that means the word problem, is your homework. and have a good day. Bye.